Welcome back to my channel once again. For everyone who don't know me, my name is Jackie and I will be unboxing the Birchbox. Ooh. Wait, let me do it this side. So many of you didn't realize that every time you get your Birchbox, in the back of it, it says no, and this time they say yes. It's like, yes, we're getting out of the quarantine. Yes, we might be able to enjoy it this summer, and yes, it's once again the Birchbox. If you guys haven't already watch the other videos, you can go see them all below. I will be putting them on the description, so you can just go ahead, click on them and watch them. Let's get on this month's Birchbox. I have to be very sharp for this. Okay, Birchbox, love your box. One more time, you guys, like, I love how the decorations are so pretty. I really want to give a big shout out to whoever creates these looks every time on the boxes. Very creative. Love the tie-dye. You guys see that? It's so pretty. Let's open it up and see what we find. For this month's Birchbox tip 148, everyone needs you time. Once again, a you time. Indulge a little bit. We have 6 products that I will be reviewing with you guys for this video. First product is an Amika Flash Instantly Shine Mask. I want to say it's about the size of my palm. It's a moisturizer and shine. This is a mask. You want to make sure that you wash your hair and then you take out your excess for your hair, and then you want to apply it for 60 seconds and then rinse it off. You guys, you already know about my hair. I think, like, I have to say this all the time because I would like to try it for you guys, but because my hair is very sensitive, I tend to not try any kind of product that might be too risky for my hair. But absolutely can try it out. If you guys will comment down below, would you want me to try it, see what you guys think about the product. If you take it somewhere with you traveling, this is one thing I do love about getting this kind of products, because they're great if you have to travel and you don't want to get small size. You already have something that, hey, you can use and take it anywhere you want. So let's look into the second product now. The Comfort Zone Clean Beauty Pick Active Pureness Modifying Fluid. Full size is $46, and this is how much we got on the box. As you can see, it's a little tiny, and so in this one you actually will put it on every time you want to get rid of those. You want to get rid of those little. Product is your mini facial scrub, and it says you can use it in morning and night. You can use it to rip off your coarse dirt. So always wear something gentle with your skin. Always, 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 and no matter what, your skin has to be the diamond in your body. Like, it always have to be cared gently. And so we're exfoliating face scrub. So I can show you guys how I do this one when I take out my makeup and I decide time to go night night, and tomorrow wear no makeup until I have to make my next video, which is gonna come out soon, and you guys are gonna be surprised when I make it because it's gonna be totally different. That was just a sneak peek of that. And so it's a value of $8. If you guys like it, comment below if you bought it, if you have tried it before, if you heard a family member have tried it before, you yourself, you got the Birchbox and you just love it and kept buying it. Whatever it is, let me know. Okay, let's go to the next product. It's called the Dr. Lip. So here it is. It's very small. And lip balm, long-lasting moisturizer. And so I'm just gonna apply some. Not tested on animals at all. That's a plus. And this product will come up again, possibly, since it's award-winning, just like the last one from the Real by Lashes. My lips look pretty plump. This price is $7.99 on a full size. The award-winning $7.99, that's pretty cheap. Once again, Ivy, another beautiful color. And so this is this time around it's a highlighter from my B24K Magic. It reminds me of the Bruno Mars.
24-karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear.
Alright, so that was a little too wild. In the first Birchbox that I recorded, I got something from IBE as well, just like this. They're very affordable. They are $14 for a regular size, which I don't think it's a bad price when you're buying these kind of products. And it looks similar to the one that I had reviewed before with you guys, the champagne kind of color. And I want to read more about it to tell you guys if it's exactly the same one or they just have like a different formula for highlighter. My canvas, and it has a conditioner and it has the shampoo. So let's read a little bit more about it so you guys can know about what this product is and what benefits might have. So this is the first product sampling that Birchbox is sending out. Just like last month, we realized that Birchbox was sending out some first sampling, and it's great to know that they do that because we want to try new things out. We're always exploring. Technology is becoming a big deal, and with products, it's just amazing to know how much it has evolved through the time. So my hair, my canvas, me time everyday shampoo and conditioner, full size is $28. So Duo helps hydrating and restore hair to its natural healthy states with water lily extract and vegan botanic caviar. It's cruelty free, which we care about. Okay, so that was it for Birchbox. I think they have done an amazing job collecting all these products and sending it out. And so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, I hope you will subscribe and become a new family member. And I hope you guys will keep enjoying the upcoming summer and the beautiful days we're gonna have. Alright guys, in that good note, I will also mention I became a part of BETHEMATCH. Well, I have to send them my kit, and then I'll be getting the results, see if I'm ready to go, to be able to donate and find a match to give them some of my blood for either cancer or leukemia. And I would like you guys to check it out. Definitely will be something that could be a game changing for someone that might need blood and might be the kind of type you have. So if you guys are interested, I will be leaving a description below about it and you guys can look into it. Bye!